Okay, hi, this is Mike Mertz. I'm talking to you from Cebu in the Philippines today, and today's topic is 2555. So I thought I'd talk a little bit about that in this short video. So every expat knows a couple things when they come overseas and start to work. They know that you get some type of expat income exclusion and you can work up to, earn up to that amount, and you don't have to pay US tax on that. Usually they don't know the amount. They just say under $100,000. And usually they also think they don't have to file if they make under that amount, which is completely wrong, because the act of filing the return is how you actually claim the exclusion. So the IRS could possibly disallow the exclusion, make you file anyway if they audited you, and you would pay taxes on that foreign income just like you lived in the US, even though you were making it overseas, if you didn't claim that exclusion through a timely filed return. So all expats also know that you shouldn't stay in the US over 30 days. So that's the two things every expat usually knows about their US taxes: that they can earn under $100,000 and not pay income tax, and they shouldn't stay in the US over 30 days. So I get clients saying to me, well, I'm going to stay in America for 31 days. Am I going to have a problem? How much tax do I have to pay? So this is kind of a lack of understanding of your 2555 form in the tax return, which is where you claim the exclusion. So there's two ways to be considered an expat. One is physical presence test, and that's what everybody's talking about when they talk about under 30 days in the US, and you automatically qualify to be an expat if you don't spend more than 30 days in the US. There's another test called bona fide resident, and there's some more questions on the 2555 that you have to answer, but you can still be an expat and spend 90 days in the US. What if you're a teacher and you work 9 months in Korea, you teach, and then you go back to the US for 3 months on the summer, and you come back to Korea and teach for 9 months and keep doing the same thing? Are you an expat? Yes, you're an expat. So, but you have to file and answer some more questions in this 2555 form. Some of the questions: do you have a rented apartment? Do you have a contract? Do you have a work visa? When does the work visa expire? Is your family with you? These kind of questions. Do you pay taxes in the other countries? So all these type of questions are helping the IRS determine if you're bullshitting them, if you're an expat or not, and that you really work overseas, and then you have a contract, or that you're a sole proprietor and you're really doing business, etc. So these are the two ways to qualify for 2555 expat income exclusion: bona fide resident or physical presence test. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks.